Hi guys! Today we're going to make some borax crystals. And before we get started, let's make sure you have the correct document open on your computer as we go. So if you head to the module, we're using module number 24, and you're going to click on Borax Crystal Lab, and then click the link, Lab Report link, and make a copy. Once your copy opens, pause the video to fill out your name, period, and date, and then also move this copy into your science folder and your This Matters folder. So you can do that by clicking the folder button, finding your science folder, and then finding your Unit 2 This Matters, and click Move Here. If you don't have a science folder or a Unit 2 folder, then make sure you share it with me so that when you turn it in, I can see it and grade it. So let's go over the supplies that you're going to need if you're doing this experiment at home. It's really fun, so I really hope you do. First, if you're using the stove, you're going to need parental supervision. And you're going to need some kind of a pot to boil water in on the stove. If you don't have parental supervision, but you can do this in the microwave, then don't use metal. That would break the microwave and start a fire. But plastic, as long as it's like a thick plastic container that won't melt, that's fine. Or glass, if you have a large glass mixing bowl, that should work. This one is the largest Tupperware container that I have, and it's a little small, so something more this size would be better. You're also going to need a box of borax, a liquid measuring cup for the water, a dry measuring spoon, or scoop rather. This one's 1/4 of a cup. I like it because it's small and easy to fit into the box of borax. We're gonna need just a spoon to stir with. We're also going to need paper, some piece of scratch paper and a pen or pencil to write stuff down as we go. And then for the fun part, to set up our actual crystal shape, we're going to need a jar or some kind of a container like this. You'll need a string, yarn works, you'll need, or a pipe cleaner is fine. It's fun because you can bend it into different shapes. You'll also need something that you can tie the string around that we can suspend from the top of the jar like this. And the pencil that we're using to take notes is just fine for this. The pencil or pen won't be ruined. You're probably going to need some scissors to trim the end of the string down to an appropriate size. That's what you'll need if you're doing this at home. So gather up those things or continue on to the next video if you're just watching.